Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today to share with you a new die that I picked up. I did pick this die up off of Amazon, and it is made by Nellie Snellen, and it's a folding die, and this is their heart rosette. It creates this really pretty heart rosette right here. And I was watching Tammy, who is SS Crafter 1 here on YouTube. Hi Tammy. She shared this die and had made a wand with a unicorn project that she was working on. And I knew immediately I wanted to have that heart rosette die. I just thought it was so pretty, and so here it is. I absolutely love it. It is a little tricky to put together, I'm not gonna lie. It did take me a few attempts to put this together, but I did figure it out, and it's really pretty, and I still need practice, but I'm gonna keep playing with it. But let me share with you what I created, and let me just share with you, this is what the die looks like. You do need the longer cutting plates to use this die. It works better if you have like the Sizzix Platinum die cut machine, or maybe the Sizzix extra large die cutting machine as well, but it will work with the regular one, just so you know. All right, so here are a couple of the rosettes that I've made, and they turn out like this. And as you can see, like I said, I feel like, you know, I need a little bit of practice, you guys. These were some of the first ones I made, and I'm going to share with you how you create them in just a second. I did back them because I just felt like it needed a backing. You don't have to, but I did. And then obviously this little hole right here will get covered up when you use it. So those are the two that I made. And then here is the rosette wand that I created using that die. And as you can see, this is the rosette right here, the heart rosette. And I did use a stitched heart die to back it behind it. This rosette was created using another die out of my stash, and then these stickers are from, I think, Recollection. Really cute. So I just stuck them on and decided to make a unicorn wand. This is a little plastic bow I think I picked up from Tuesday Morning, and then I just added some little trims and some twine, and then I had a really cute heart straw, so I went ahead and used that. And then on the back, I used a sticker from the new Park Lane sticker collection from Joann's, and it says, "I poop magic and rainbows." And I just thought it was kind of funny and just decided to put it on the back of that. So that is how my heart rosette wand came out, totally inspired by Tammy, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so let me just share with you what it looks like. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to cut out two sheets to create one rosette. So you run it through your die cut machine twice. If you're using pattern paper, you do have to turn it around, and so that you can have the same color all going in the same direction, if that makes sense. Okay, so how you close this up is you actually need some thread and a needle. And I am no sewing expert. You guys probably already know I'm not. But basically what you do is, and I have already started it, so I started it from the bottom, and then you just put it through that hole. And I didn't die cut this one all the way. I messed it up, but I didn't want to waste it, so I'm keeping it. But you start like that, and basically all you're going to do is do a running stitch all the way around these tiny little holes. So you're just going to go in, actually, yeah, you're going to go in and out through each one. And this does take a little bit of time. Let me see. Oh my goodness, did I mess this up? Maybe I need to go this way. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh yeah, it's this way. I'm like, why isn't it working? Okay, so you just kind of go in and out each of the little holes, and as you can see, I have not, some of the holes have not been poked out yet, but it's fine because they will come out with the needle. And I just kind of squished it together, just kind of makes it easier to run the needle through the heart. And then once you get a good amount, you can just kind of pull it up like that, and I'm sorry, this is probably a horrible example to share, but it's super easy, you guys. You just run it through the holes, as you can see what I'm doing. And by the way, I hate these fake nails that I have on. I do not like crafting with fake nails, but I was feeling like I was just tired of my nails breaking low and I was just done, and so I decided to put some acrylics on. And I cannot wait to get them cut down because I just cannot stand crafting with long nails. But anyway, I'm almost to the end, and then I'm going to show you how simple it is. You basically just squeeze it all together and it forms the rosette. And I am almost there. And just kind of keep pulling it in until you get to where you started. And then like that, and just pull it back up through that first one. And then basically what you're gonna do is, I'm just gonna set this down so you guys can see, but you just kind of lay it flat and then you just pull. See how I'm just pulling on the thread? Just pull it together like that, and then there it is. You're gonna tie it. You're gonna tie the knot, and then you have your little rosette, and then you can decorate it as you please. I hope this made sense. I just wanted to quickly come on and share with you this heart rosette. It's super pretty, and I would say yes, definitely a must-have for your stash. And I'm sure there's other ways you can create this, but I'm really liking this die, and they actually have some other dies that I think I would like to try, like that really pretty flower one looks really nice. So anyway, I'll leave the link to the die where I picked it up from, which is Amazon, if you guys want to check it out. Thanks for watching. Of course, leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.